Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the YouTube series, we are going to see one of the very important tips and tricks. It is how to change a color in Photoshop. And can we use replace color in every position? We are also going to build upon our video from yesterday about the 3D stairs, how to generate a 2D layer from these 3D stairs to start acting upon. Okay, without any delay, let me start directly with our Photoshop. We will start with this blank canvas. We will add a simple rectangle. Okay, we will select the filling to a solid color, this green for example, and I will just put it here. Okay, now suppose that I need to change this color, which is a solid color. Okay, if I select the color replacement tool from here, it's done on two steps. First, I need to press Alt plus select here to select the color. Then I need to go to Image, Adjustment, Replace Color. But I can't have Replace Color here except when I rasterize the layer to make it editable here. Okay, so I will go to Layer, Rasterize, Shape. Okay, and then if I go again to Image, Adjustment, I can see now that my Replace Color is available as an option. If I go here, that's the target color. It's the same as the original color. If I start changing the hue or the saturation, you can see that the color is typically changing to what appearing here in this demo. Exactly, it's coming here and here. Okay, if I change the saturation, I can go to different shades of the same color. Here I select the color, and then for example I will select this purple, and then I change its shades from the saturation and from the lightness. Okay, so I can get exactly the color which I like. So okay, for now, so let me try another thing. I will go to the background layer. I will just fill it with a blue color. Okay, and then I need to make another rectangle, but for this time I'll be selecting the filling color as white. Okay, and then I make my new rectangle. Okay, now I have this rectangular with white filling. I will go to Layer, Rasterize, Shape again, so I'm ready, and then I'm going to replace the color. I'll be Alt and then clicking, so I had selected the white color, which is the filling of this square. Then I will this rectangle. Then I will go to Image, Adjustment, and then Replace Color, exactly as I have done in the previous time. As you have seen, also it's also the original color is white, and the target color after the replacement is also white. Now I start changing the hue of the hue. It's not, you see, nothing is happening. Why? Because it is white. You cannot play this same game with white. Okay, even if you select any color from here, I select here, you will select blue. Okay, and you need to change it to this one. Okay, it will be blue. Okay, I'll make it green. Whatever you do here is not reflecting here. It's reflected on the border, but it's not reflected on the filling inside. Why it is not reflected on the filling inside? Because the white color is made of all the colors, so you cannot change the white color directly. You cannot make it. You see, nothing is happening with my white filling. Okay, so this is a very important point when you are trying to change a color. How to change it if it is white? Simply, if it is white, I'm going to make this smart selection. It will select my square, and then, for example, I will select this one for filling, and I'll go filling a solid fill for my selection. This makes a problem when I'm changing the colors in images, because in images there's no pure or solid color. If you are selecting any pixel in the image or to change a solid color, you will change the colors that are parts from the layers that is analyzed by Photoshop. Okay, so now we had seen this example. Let me go to yesterday stairs. Okay, I will show you one important trick. I'll be using also the smart selection, this smart selection. So it will be selecting my stairs. Then I will go to layer, new, layer via copy. Okay, now you can see that this layer 2 here, this is a two-dimensional layer. It's not a three-dimensional layer as the previous one. So if I cannot move it, I can just, I'll be dealing with it as a two-dimensional layer, not like the previous one. If I select this one again and I deselect this two-dimensional layer, here I can, if I go to select, I can start rotate it as we were doing yesterday. For example, if I don't like this, for example, I need to take this look for my stairs, then I need to repeat the selection again, the auto or the smart selection again, and then I will ask for a layer, new, layer via copy. Okay, now I'll hide this original layer. Okay, if I hide this one also, I don't have any layers inactive, so this is one of the views from the stair. I can remove this one and use this view from the stair. This gives you options to select which view of the stairs you like to have. Okay, suppose that in this layer I need to change the colors in here, for example. So I'll try the same trick once more. So I'll go to replace color, and I'll be selecting this color, for example, and then I will go to image, adjustment, replace color. So I had selected this near white color. It will be coming also the same direction. So suppose that I need to change it to here. To here, you can see that it is not changing, it's not affected, because the white color and the black colors are having this, they are mix of all the colors. You cannot change them with this trick. If you change, for example, if for example I select this color, this blue, for example, I need to change the blue shades out of the white. Okay, and I need to change them to here, to purple or to orange, for example. Okay, still you can see that great effect. You can see that some shades are coming to this layer, but not fully coming. If I need to change the layer, the color completely, I need to do the same as I was doing. So I need to cancel this one. Okay, suppose in this layer that I need to make filling for one of these layers, so I'll be selecting the pen tool, and I'll be selecting this layer. Okay, and it will be filled here with the color you select. From here you select blue. Maybe I need to mix it with red. Here also you have the options to make different sorts of filling like this one, and you have all the options you need from here. Okay, I hope you had learned some tips and tricks playing with the colors, and you had now understood what is the problem of changing the shades of the color, or to replace the color, or to use a different filling color. This will help you in your coming projects. Thank you very much for following up.